Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to reheat food with the Philips Airfryer NA221. So this basically works on hot air. So don't go and fill this pan up with oil, frying fat, or any other liquid, and do not touch the hot surfaces, guys. Do not touch them. I want you to use the handles. There's handles right here, or knobs. Go ahead and use those. Okay, I want you to handle the hot pan with oven safe gloves. Right? It's only for household use, and there might be some smoke when you use it for the first time. This is normal. Okay, you don't have to preheat anything. So what you do is first remove this pan from the appliance by pulling the handle. And then you put the frying insert in the pan. Then you go ahead and put the ingredients in the pan. Okay, you can prepare a large range of ingredients, and you can go ahead and see in the manual there's a food table for the right amount of quantities. Then you just put the pan back into the air fryer. Okay, make sure never to use this pan without the frying insert in it, guys. Do not do that, and do not, please do not touch the pan during or for some time after use. This could get very hot. Use the handles only, please. I'm emphasizing. Then you just put the plug into the wall outlet, and then you go ahead and press the power on or off button to switch on or off the appliance. Switch on the appliance and you're good to go. After this, you just need to press the temperature button right here. So to adjust the temperature, you can go ahead and press the increase or decrease button to choose the right temperature. Press the time button, choose the timer. You can increase the or decrease the timer by pressing on the buttons, and then just press the stop button to start the cooking process. And you just have to wait. When you hear the timer bell, the cooking time has lapsed. Otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. And if you want to reheat food, just do it for a small time, okay? A short duration. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to find your solution, and I'll see you in the next one.